another day. Fortunately, today before I can like actually dude, let me not do that shit again. Before I can really get on with my ride, I actually have to stop by the I gotta stop by the gym. Yeah, for some reason tried to go work out last night, right? And my fob, my little key fob wasn't working. So gotta make a quick pit stop, see what the fuck is going on with that shit. So I'm gonna hit the gym first and then off with my ride. Hook it right here. Okay, and I will be right back. Alright, so that was fucking weird. So I went into the gym to see what was going on with my key fob, and apparently my car didn't get fucking charged, and because of that it shut down my account, which I don't know. I mean, I thought everything was cool, so I ended up getting a new card, or not a new card. I had to shut down one of my banking accounts, so I had to link it up to a new card. So I hit the guy up and I tell him, I'm like, yo, I'm getting a new car, XYZ. And he's like, all right, bet. You know, it's actually kind of perfect because you actually have a month that you missed. And so he tells me, he's like, all right, so what's gonna end up happening is the next time you get charged, it's gonna be like 60 bucks. You're gonna get 30 for one, and then you're just get hit with another one, maybe like a tiny little late fee. And I did get hit with, like, it wasn't a late fee, but I did get hit with a tiny fee, like a $15. And I thought that was it. I thought they were being generous. I thought they were like, you know, it's cool, it's whatever, man, don't worry about it. And then the fucking, what the fuck? I'm not gonna lie, this is some nice ass taillights. What the hell is going on here? Why are there so many people here? Is there a car show? But I don't know, it is what it is, I guess. The good news is that now I'm back in the gym. That's all that fucking matters. Oh, dude, this thing has a Texas plate? That's fucking sick. Something's got to be going on in the city, because there's no reason why there's this much traffic. See, the good thing about me is that I don't fucking care. Can kiss my butt, because I'm on a bike, which means I can go anywhere the hell I want. Now, I've always wondered, dude, why does the Escalade have such huge ass fucking taillights? I mean, I'm not saying they look bad, but why are they so big? The light is green. What are these people doing? Alright, dude, you're starting to piss me off. Dude, it is windy as hell. This is not pleasant. There are definitely like pros and cons to having a bike. One of the biggest cons is that you are exposed to the element like a lot. So if it is like stupid windy or obviously raining, like you're not gonna have a good day. I mean, luckily since I'm in the city, it's not that windy, but because you got these big ass buildings blocking it, or it could be the other way around. Through the park. You know what? Fuck. Shit! Oh yeah, boy. Having a bike is so great. Alright, now I need to figure out what is the right fucking path to get out of here. This way. Hook a left, hook it around, and then I'm gonna hit that bridge right there. Fucking love doing that shit, bro. What time is it? Let's see if I got time. Cause I'll just go through the hospital later. Stuck to be behind this guy. lot more of a chill ride. I didn't really comment a lot. I was kind of just like, just going, you know? Oh, shit! That's why you get a bite. Whoop. This light turns red, I'm taking Locust Walk. So I'm gonna take it real nice and easy because I want it to turn red. Dude, look at how quick those fucking brakes are. I don't feel like waiting.